In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan blog content on WordPress.com. If you're new to creating content or looking for a structured approach to organizing your blog, this guide will take you through each step of setting up a new page for your upcoming posts. So let's dive right in. First, start by logging into your WordPress.com account. If you're not already logged in, open your preferred web browser and search for WordPress.com login in the search bar. Click on the link that says WordPress.com, everything you need to build your website. This will bring you to the login page where you can enter your credentials to get started. Once logged in, navigate to the WordPress admin page. This is often referred to as the WP admin page, and it's essentially the control center of your website, where you can manage all aspects of your blog. Now that you're in the admin panel, let's head over to the Pages dashboard. Look for the option labeled Pages on the left-hand side of your admin interface. Clicking on this option will show you a list of all the pages you've currently created. To start planning your new blog content, click on Add Page. This will create a fresh new page where you can structure your upcoming blog posts. With your new page created, you can now begin customizing it to fit the theme of your content. The first thing you should do is click where it says Add Title and give your new page a descriptive title that accurately represents the overarching theme or subject of the content you'll be posting. This title will help you and your readers understand the purpose of this page at a glance. Next, you have the opportunity to format the page using blocks. By selecting Type to choose a block, you can start structuring your page layout. Blocks are a versatile feature in WordPress, allowing you to add text, images, videos, and more, making each post visually appealing and easy to read. You can choose specific blocks according to your content needs and style preferences. Additionally, if you're looking for extra design capabilities, consider integrating elements like Elementor to further enhance your page's layout. Once you've customized your page and are satisfied with its appearance and functionality, it's time to make your hard work public. Simply click the Publish button, located in the upper right corner of your screen. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a new page to plan your blog content on WordPress.com. By following these steps, you can keep your content organized, attractive, and ready to engage your audience. Thank you for watching, and happy blogging.